Tamara Michelle. Welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys have been well. So today I am tackling this, if nothing else, my living room. So I'm gonna show you guys what I'm talking about. If you are new here, welcome. Thank you so much for clicking on. I assume you need some cleaning motivation, so I'm hoping that I can give that to you. So it is, what's today? December the 13th, and I have just finished decorating for Christmas. Because it was so late, I just didn't even do all that I usually do, and yeah, I've just been in a rut, y'all. I don't know what it's been with me. I'm usually done with it, and we've enjoyed it for a couple weeks, but not in this case. So I literally just finished, and I'm gonna show y'all what it looks like. These boxes need to go downstairs. I've got all this out of whack. The tree is done. What do y'all think? I'm not sure if I'm doing a tour or anything, but I'll show you guys right now. May do just a little separate quick video showing the things that I did. And so I've got this done, and got all of this in it. All of this laundry that I need to fold. And I need to put this stuff away over here and vacuum in here. I already started. Then I'll check back in after I tackle this if I can make it to another room or not. So I'm hoping this gives you some good motivation, because I am motivating myself by doing it, y'all, because I really don't feel like doing it right now. But we're gonna work together on this, so let's get to cleaning. So right now I'm just gonna tackle the mounds of clothing, my youngest son's clothing. I'm gonna tackle his loads and get those put away so I can move on to the next thing.
Stay alert, baby, it's a crime. Lesson learned when you're on my mind.
So on my TV, you can see a video from our family vlog channel. If you are not following us, we would love to have you guys over there. The link is in the description box, and also the name of the channel is FosterVision. So if you haven't checked us out, please check us out and consider subscribing. We would love to have you guys over there.
But it's a fact, without you I'm half empty. Can't get over you, how hard I try. So the moment I saw you, I lost some control. One look into those eyes could keep.
It was so much glitter and everything from putting up all the decor and everything for Christmas. So I'm just going through, dusting that off, fluffing the pillows. Then I will dust all my tables as well as my side table by the door, and get all of that glitter and everything ready to be vacuumed up.
Get back here, that's unsuitable.
I didn't have a chance to do my Christmas home tour, but I will say this was day one of getting everything, well, just about everything out that I was going to use to decorate. But that side table especially, it did not stay the same, you guys, nor the entryway table. I want to say I changed that up as well, so this was not the final look for my Christmas decor. This is just where I started. I noticed that there was some pine from the tree. The tree was shedding when I put it up or after I put the tree skirt and I was fluffing it out or adding the decorations, the ornaments to it. So I just removed the tree skirt so I can go ahead and sweep this up in a pile, vacuum it up, and then I can replace the tree skirt and then continue vacuuming the rest of the room.
Talk about jealousy.
Y'all, my husband did not realize that I was recording. So he came in, I was playing music while I was cleaning, so we had a little dance or whatever, and then I told him I'm recording, and then he gave y'all a little dance too, so hope y'all enjoyed it.
Let's just do what you want to. Please don't be polite, cause I like your attitude. Let's forget about a curfew, cause all that is stuck in my head. It's me and you, pulse speed and my heart is racing, but I'm not sure I wanna face it, cause it only does this with you. Our bodies meet, I can feel the tension, move us into the next dimension. Let's just let our bodies be true. We make out for the thrill of it, mess around for the thrill of it. Don't stop now, never let this end. For the thrill of it, we can have it, no regret. We make out for the thrill of it, mess around.
Watching this back, I realized that I did not have the footage of me washing my hands after cleaning the trash can. Y'all, I did wash my hands, okay? I don't know where the footage went. So right now, I'm just gonna continue to wipe down the countertops. I'm gonna sweep. I am not gonna mop tonight. And then I think I'll be done getting the house back in order. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope it gave you the motivation that you needed to get up and get something done around your home. If you were here for the first time, I hope that you enjoyed it, you guys. Subscribe if you did. I would really appreciate it. Don't forget to give me a thumbs up, you guys. It really helps my channel out. Thank you so much for watching. Hope you have the most amazing week. I'll see you in my next video. Bye, y'all.
Move us into the next dimension. Let's just let our bodies be true.